Hi friends, in this sequence we begin with Adho Mukha Virasana. Maintain this for about 1 to 2 minutes and then we proceed to do Bhujangasana or Cobra pose. Initially we begin with a easier Bhujangasana, that is, lie flat on the mat face downwards. Spread your legs as wide as your mat. Rest the palms by the side of your pelvic region. Inhale and pull the trunk up by pressing the palms firmly on the floor. Inhale and pull the trunk up by pressing the palms firmly on the floor. Do not cramp your chest. Your chest should be open. Keep the knees tight and toes pointing outside. Maintain this pose for about 4 to 5 breaths, breathing normally with the body weight on legs and palms. Relax your shoulders. Repeat this 2 to 3 times by changing hand positions and keeping the legs together as shown in the previous basic video of this asana. Depending on your stamina, you can decide whether you are going to do Bhujangasana variations or not. After you are already in Adho Mukha Virasana, spread your hands as wide as your shoulders. Open the palms with fingers pointing in the front. Exhale and lift your knees up without changing the position of your feet. Raise the trunk away from the floor and try to bring your head in towards your thighs, keeping the elbows straight. Keep the legs stiff and do not bend the knees, but try to press your heels down. Stay in this pose for about a minute and then with an exhalation, bring your right foot ahead in the front between your palms and look up. In this pose, your left leg will be resting on the mat. Stay in this pose for few seconds and repeat the same action by bringing your left foot ahead in the front. Lastly, we do Uttanasana as a resting pose. That is, walk towards your hands by bringing your legs in the front. Exhale and move your trunk closer to the legs. Let your head hang down like a ripe fruit on a tree. Maintain this pose for a while. Then come out of this pose slowly after you get back your breath and relax. That completes the second sequence.